Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to collaborate in Replit. If you want to work on the same project with your friends, classmates, or teammates, Replit makes it very easy. So let's get started. First, I open my Replit project and make sure I'm signed into my account. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the invite button. I click on invite to open the collaboration options. A small window appears. Here I can invite other people to my project. I simply enter their email address or username, or I can copy the invitation link and send it to them. After they receive the invitation and join the project, they can open the same workspace. We can both work on the project at the same time. If one person writes or edits code, the changes appear instantly for everyone. This makes teamwork much faster and easier. We can also discuss ideas, fix bugs together, review code, and build projects without sending files back and forth. Replit collaboration is very useful for school assignments, team projects, coding practice, and software development. It helps everyone stay on the same page while working together online. That's how you can collaborate in Replit, by inviting other users to your project and coding together in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.